Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you the 2-gen wide Sune one glass layers. So these first cases are where you have a bar on the top right. So this first case, when you have the bar and then you have a bar right here, just do the normal wide Sune. Like that. Next case is where you have opposites right here. So basically for this, do a Sune, but then cancel into this solo. So basically that's just doing these two OLs right here. So first you do a Sune, then you do this OL. So that will look like this. Show it again. So R U R prime U R U prime R prime U prime M prime U R U prime Y R prime. So now this case where you have these two are adjacent. So do wide R U wide R prime inverse sexy wide R U prime wide R prime. So that's basically just doing the inverse of this OLA. Wide R, U, wide R prime, inverse sexy, and then finish it. Alright, so now these cases are when you have two opposites at the top. So this first case, where you have a bar, hold on the left, sexy move, and then sexy move, but you do a U, wide R prime, R, and then take out this corner, and then finish everything off. So here's the case again. Sexy move, R, U, R prime, U, wide R prime, and take out this corner, wide R, U prime, R prime. Alright, so now the next case is where you have two opposites. So first do F, double sexy, F prime, then you just have an anti-Sune, like that. Next case is where you have opposites and then adjacents. So for this, you hold it here, wide R, U prime, wide R prime, U, Sune, U, and then solve everything. So here's the, oops. Here's the case again. Wide R, U prime, wide R prime, U, Sune, U, and then fix this green, like that. Alright, so these next cases are when you have these are adjacent for all of them, but the way that you differentiate between these is these, the colors match the corner and the front edge, but in these ones they're opposite. So for the cases that were the same, so you recognize them by these two right here. So in this case they're the same, in this case they're opposite. So when they're the same, hold it like this, F sexy F prime, U, F inverse sexy F prime. So in this case, when they're the same, when they're opposite, you do an F, U, sledgehammer, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Like that. So when they're opposite for these, and then when the two are the same. For this one, you basically, you hold it like this, F intersects the F prime, U prime, and then do that again. And then for this case, where these are, when these two are opposite and then these two in the middle are opposite, hold it right here, M, U, Sune, M prime. So these last two cases, when the tops are also adjacent, but this time the colors are adjacent. So you recognize by these two still. So in this case, these two are the same, these two are opposite. So in this case, when they're the same, do a U, and then just like, let me set up these so that I can give you a better visualization. So first you want to do this whole L, and then do this whole L. So first you do that, and then that, like that. So this case right here, where they're the same in the front, or I mean when they're, so when these two are adjacent, these are opposite, and I guess you can also recognize these are the same. So these are the same, and then these are opposite. Do U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime. Wide soon, and this enters there. So I hope you enjoyed that video. And I'm not going to stop uploading videos again. I'm actually going to start uploading videos frequently. So yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, and also I'll post ALGs in the description so that you all can see them.